So we are starting off with something I don't normally do, which is detangle before I wash. I kind of hate doing that only because I like to kind of just brush my hair out once, but it's fine. So we're going to use this Daily Leave-In Shea Moisture Hydration Cream, and we're going to spray it in my hair to detangle. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Let's do some other sections. Okay, so done combing out my hair. This is the amount of hair I just lost, I guess. I do shed a lot. Also, I don't brush my hair out at all between washes, so there you go. Alrighty, so this is my hair. Isn't it so crazy how your hair could be like this, but actually be like this long? That's crazy. Just means it's healthy though. So anyways, I'm going to separate my hair. What I'm doing though is I'm not actually going to use like the comb to go through it this time. What I'm going to do is I just want to like use my hand, not complete direct heat, but I want to use my hand to stretch it out and blow it out. I've already put leave-in conditioner, heat protectant, and bio soak in it. So all that is left for me to do is blow it out. This is insane that it can go from up here to down here. But I'm happy about it because at one point I damaged my hair severely. Using our fountain, I really like this blow dryer. It's one of the best blow dryers I've had. Stretch. Really want to get like the root. Okay, so I forgot my video was actually this mode, but it's okay. Anyways, this is fine with me. I really just want to stretch out the hair, so I'm pretty okay with this. You don't need to do any more than that. If I do, I can always like go back through, but my point is pretty much to stretch it because it's not like we're straightening it. So yeah. Also, I'm not taking too small of sections because again, I'm kind of just trying to not straighten it, sorry. I'm just trying to stretch it out. So I don't need it to be like these small sections. I just want to stretch my hair and be done with it. Okay, so got a little bit left. Yeah, like I said, my hair's sweating already. But yeah, like I said, I'm not really necessarily trying to like straighten. I'm more so just stretching. So if you're like, girl, that's why. Also, I do have my rough hair, but I don't feel like holding that right now to stretch my hair. It takes way too long. And yeah, I mean, I don't know, maybe it would take the same time as me doing this. Not really sure, but it's heavy and I'll use it when I'm in the mood for it. But yeah. I also like to stretch my hair after I wash it because I just feel like my hair just thrives more as opposed to when I don't stretch it. Especially given the fact that it's like I'm not really manipulating my hair too much in between in terms of like combing it out or brushing it out. I do like retwist and stuff, but that's about it. Okay. So I did throw out the other hair from earlier, but in addition to that, this is the rest of the hair I lost or whatever. And yeah, all right, last 2 rounds, guys. Guys, so that's my hair stretched out. All of that to twist it. But I just wanted you guys to see how I stretch out my hair without direct heat, I guess. I mean, it is heat, but you know, without the direct heat. But anyways, this is it. One day I will show y'all me twisting my hair. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put oil in my scalp, and we're just gonna twist it up. And yeah, but that's it for this video, y'all. What do you think of my methods? I'm sure there are better methods. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Thank you for making this far or watching this much of the video if you have watched watch this much of the video. Also, check out my Etsy. The link will be down below. I sell a bunch of handmade jewelry that y'all can check out for yourself. And if you like it, I would definitely appreciate if you purchase it or share it with a friend, a family member, or a stranger on the street. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.